Experiences that you cherished and you thought meant anything to them, it meant nothing. Man, now life doesn't stop, just your life with them stops, and you have to either let it fuck you over or create a new life. I'm young, man. I've lost countless bad bitches, man. I can't keep a bitch to save my life. Cause you can't keep nobody that don't want to be kept, gay. How does it feel to lose the love of my life? Again? I don't know. But all I know is I'm facing 2 yards. A highly potent weed.